Today we're in Merthyr Tydfil. This is an incredible college. We have a passionate computing faculty that is helping us to give students the future that they deserve. My name's Mike Halliday. I run Tech Ed programs. We're a service provider that helps industry to engage effectively with education, to change the lives of young people and give them the skills they need to be the workforce of tomorrow.
Cyberbit is a skills development platform which is designed to upskill the most junior to the most advanced cyber defenders. A live fire exercise is a team exercise. The idea is we put the team in a pressurised environment where they will be working in a real network with real traffic, and we'll attack it with real ransomware malware. We'll give the defenders the tools that they will use on a daily basis to defend themselves. So it's basically putting them in a hyper-realistic situation that feels and looks like a real attack, so they're preparing them for a real event.
I think especially when it comes to cybersecurity, hands-on skills development is incredibly important.